What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on SEI, the SEI network, which I wanted to cover because I know quite a lot of you from the Cilinix crypto community have been following this, and personally I've been following this as well for some good trades. Usually new cryptos, like I also had it with WorldCoin, usually they actually respect certain technicals fairly well. I made quite a lot of money on WorldCoin back then, so I was also analyzing SEI quite a bit. Unfortunately, I did not check too much yesterday when we got this major bearish breakout, so that's a shame. But we did get a major bearish breakout, so we'll talk about that, and just in general, I'll tell you what I expect from SEI right now. It's not looking great, but there are perhaps reasons to be optimistic as well, or at least there are some strong support levels coming close. So we'll talk about that, but but before that, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which you gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders, very valuable, like almost 100 people. You gain access to my trading guide in which I put tons of work to actually allow you to analyze and trade like me. But you also gain access to my own trades, all right? The trades I take on the daily. I'm a profitable day trader, so if you are interested in that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But now on to SEI. So first of all, SEI is a layer 1 network, right? Most of you know that. I also made a crypto review on SEI. So most of you know that. But one of the big things that is very important with layer 1 networks and the long-term price is if they're actually being used. And right now what we're seeing with SEI is that the total value locked at least is very, very low. It's around 3 million, which is almost like, I'm not even sure if I'm going to find it right here, but it's very, very low. Yeah, you can see it right here. It's like with Oasis and below Silica, below Thundercore, below Harmony, which has been hacked. So very, very, very low, but obviously it's very new as well. So it's good to keep an eye on that, but it's better to take a look at the technicals. So with the technicals, the main thing we were looking at the last time around, which I think that's good to know, is this structure right here. All right, we were waiting for some sort of a bullish breakout out of this bullish triangle. But what happened is that we actually followed that and we tried to break above our main resistance around 15.5 cents a number of times, but we failed to do so. And this is what I meant with like, it respects technicals quite a bit, because the moment that broke, you can see we took a break retest and then we actually started dropping down. And we even gave up one of our most important levels at 14 cents. So at this point of time, I would say like there's this big area, 12.5 cents right here, which I'll actually put a horizontal line on. 12.5 cents is the main support level under us, all right? Usually what you see is that a key level kind of forms around that. So I would say between 13 and 12 cents. And that's also at this point of time, which I think the most likely scenario is, all right? We had a major bearish breakout. So now I think it's most likely that, sure, we might retest 14 and we might even retest a little bit higher towards 14.3 or so. But I do think the most likely scenario is now that we'll drop down to that, let's say 13/12.5 cents area. So yeah, there's that. I must say that because it's Friday and it's the end of the month, there is a possibility for some recovery for Bitcoin, which due to the correlation between SEI and Bitcoin would be good news. But the main thing is that like if SEI is actually, which I don't expect at this point of time, so if it does happen, I'll be prepared for it, but I was wrong. If SEI from here is actually able to break above 14.35, so 0.1435, then I think we can actually recover, or then I think SEI can recover up to 15 cents again. But this, at this point of time, is very unlikely. I think at this point of time, this is way more likely, the bearish scenario. This is just a possibility you should know. All right, so that's my take on SEI for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.